Crypto law founder John Deaton believes that the final and most aggressive push to shut down crypto might soon be witnessed in the wake of the White House's statement on mitigating risks associated with cryptocurrencies. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. We will soon witness the final and most aggressive push to shut down crypto, Deaton wrote. The White House published a statement titled The Administration's Roadmap to Mitigate Cryptocurrency Risks on January 27. The statement reads, "We have spent the past year identifying the risks of cryptocurrencies and acting to mitigate them using the authorities that the executive branch has. The legislative guidance provided by the administration called on the U.S. Congress to step up its efforts. For example, Congress should expand regulators' powers to prevent misuses of customers' assets which hurt investors and distort prices, and to mitigate conflicts of interest," the document further stated. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has increased its clampdown on the cryptocurrency market under the leadership of Chair Gary Gensler, who was appointed to the post in April 2021. As it is, the SEC is attempting to broaden its claim of authority, as Gensler has repeatedly stated that the agency intends to be the primary regulator of the U.S. crypto market. Gensler believes that nearly any other crypto token aside from Bitcoin could be a security, and has pursued some recent actions. Ripple is currently in the midst of a legal battle with the SEC, which alleges that the $1.3 billion sale of XRP constituted an unregistered security offering. Ripple executives expressed their views on cryptocurrency regulation at the start of the year. Among these, General Counsel Stu Alderete anticipates the judge's ruling in Ripple's SEC lawsuit in the first half of 2023, and one that is favorable to Ripple. He believes this will be the catalyst needed to push the U.S. crypto industry forward and to stop businesses from offshoring their crypto work. An unknown wealthy investor sent an undisclosed address a whopping $253,594,773, $253.59 million, XRP coins worth $103.26 million. According to Whale Alert, the transaction happened about 15 hours ago. The receiver address was generated yesterday by an unidentified crypto user. The assets are still present, according to data from top XRP Explorer Bithump, and the recipient address has a balance of $253.59 million. At the time of writing, the transaction's reason is unknown. Along with the previously mentioned transaction, a top whale tracking service for cryptocurrencies also discovered another huge XRP transfer that took place in the previous day. 160 million XRP coins worth $65.53 million were transferred by an anonymous whale to an unspecified address yesterday. These trades further highlight the cryptocurrency whale's rising interest in XRP. It is important to note that wealthy investors have persisted in demonstrating their rising interest in the cryptocurrency connected to Ripple. Recently, crypto whales moved more than 600 million XRP coins in just 2 days. Given that the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit is almost over, it is not surprising to see crypto whales take a big interest in XRP. The verdict of the lawsuit is anticipated to have a significant impact on how much XRP costs. The price of XRP would rise if Ripple prevailed. The coin's value will, however, plummet in the event of an SEC victory. Investors are relying on recent statements made by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, despite the fact that it may appear difficult to predict the outcome of the lawsuit. Garlinghouse expressed his optimism that Ripple would obtain a favorable verdict against the Securities and Exchange Commission to a news publishing company at the World Economic Forum in 2023. Sarangel S. Whips Jr., the president of the Republic of Palau, stated in December 2022 that the country's IT specialists had been looking into the idea of developing a national stablecoin utilizing Ripple. According to the president, it will raise the standard of living for Palauans and diversify the island nation's economy away from tourism. After the COVID-19 bull phase, awareness of cryptocurrencies has greatly expanded. By adopting blockchain and cryptocurrency, nations of all sizes are attempting to digitally alter their economies. Others are attempting to develop their own central bank digital currencies, while some central banks are focusing on stablecoins, CBDCs. According to Whale Alert, a leading cryptocurrency whale tracking service, an unidentified deep-pocketed investor transferred a whopping $253,594,773, $253.59 million, XRP coins worth $103.26 million to an unknown address. Whale Alert noted that the transaction took place around 15 hours ago. The Crypto Basic discovered that an unknown crypto user created the recipient address yesterday. Data from leading XRP explorer Deaton show that the funds remain intact, and the recipient address holds a balance of $253.59 million. The rationale behind the transaction is unknown at the time of writing. Aside from the above-mentioned transaction, Whale Alert also reported another large XRP transfer that occurred in the past 24 hours. Yesterday, an unknown whale moved a whopping 160 million XRP coins, $65.53 million, to an unidentified address. These transactions further show the growing interest in XRP among cryptocurrency whales. It is worth noting that deep-pocketed investors have continued to showcase their growing appetite for the Ripple-affiliated cryptocurrency. As reported earlier by the Crypto Basic, crypto whales shuffled over 600 XRP coins in 2 days. It is not surprising to see crypto whales develop massive interests in XRP, given that the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit is close to its end. The outcome of the lawsuit is expected to play a huge role in determining the price of XRP. A win for Ripple would cause the XRP price to surge. However, an SEC will cause the coin's price to plunge. While it may seem difficult to predict the outcome of the case, investors are relying on comments recently made by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. At the World Economic Forum 2023, Garlinghouse told CNBC that he is optimistic Ripple would get a favorable ruling against the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple at XRP price is set to gain ground above the 200-day simple moving average (SMA) in a repetition pattern as seen last week and the week before, where bulls were able to each time consolidate above a key pivotal or technical level. Until now, bulls have had an easy play, but headwinds are nearby, with central banks kicking off their first central bank meeting for the year. While the profit target for the first quarter is set at 49 cents, seeing the headwinds to emerge next week, that might be a bit too far-fetched. Ripple price repeats the same playbook strategy as it did with the previous 4 weeks of profits. Each time bulls can gain control of an important area above a key technical level or key area. Although this is a very solid and well-controlled strategy, the issue is that the next profit target is the target foreseen for Q1 and has no handles between now and 49 cents, which makes it too far and impossible to be reached in time. XRP price is thus at risk of collapsing like a house of cards in an attempt to go for that 49 cents. With the U.S. Federal Reserve and its chairman Jerome Powell coming out at the beginning of next week, the bullish mood could be dampened as central bankers are set to pour cold water on that same sentiment. Expect to see the support levels of the 200-day SMA and the 55-day SMA be tested before $0.3616 needs to step in to make sure that the rally does not fade too much. A positive surprise could be that Jerome Powell changes his stance and returns to the dove he has always been. That means that the Federal Reserve does not see inflation staying steady or at risk of rising again. Should Powell even come out saying that inflation is declining rapidly, XRP price would be seen spiking higher and reach that 49 cents, jumping over 20% in value. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.